Firstly, great good afternoon for all of you. So she asked the question, why means what is the importance of mobile in our life, and what is the disadvantages also of mobile. So firstly, I want to tell it is depend on us what is the importance in the mobile, and what is the means what is not good, what is not bad, means which things are good in a mobile and which things are bad in a mobile. It is a totally depend on us, means when we see the mobile, so that time I think you should you should tell only that we should take only that things which things are important for us, which things are related about our study, which things we have to need, so that things we take from the mobile. But besides that thing, you only take the bad things, you miss you use your means when we use the mobile, that time we use mobile only for playing the games, only to see the some things, means videos for the entertainment. So it is not a good advantages of mobile. But when if you want to any information about your study, about something new things, so definitely you can use the mobile for getting something different new things. But so I think mobile is important for our study, but some disadvantages also in a mobile. So what is your opinion?
I am totally appreciate with you. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Arshi, and today our question is that what are the advantage and disadvantages of mobile? Mobile is that thing which has disadvantages and advantages. That she is told that it is depend only upon us, that how we use the mobile. Like if many students use mobile only for their studies, like only for their advantages, but much more students in their life use the mobile for only for their entertainment. So mobile is not for our entertainment, it is for our benefits, not for our losses. Like due to watching more mobile, our eyes can get harmed. Like I did mean that it is harmful for our eyes, because many people or many students watch mobile for long time, for at night they also watch mobile, so it is harmful for their eyes. So that she told that mobile is not for our entertainment, it is only for our uses. So what can you say about it?
Yes, you are totally right thing. So I want to say that mobile is means when we use that thing. So you also told it is depend on us, and many social means many apps and many different things are present in our mobile, and this thing is connected, totally connected with the social media. Means and means suppose Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, many things are present in our mobile, and when we use that thing. Means very continuously, so that time we lost our life and our career also. Means now we are a student, and in our life we should always focus on our study. If you want to go toward the good things, if you want to go in a good way in our life, so you should focus on your only study. Yes, you have to need something, means if you have question about you related about your study, about your syllabus, so definitely you should use also mobile. But you don't use your mobile for playing the games, to chats with your friends, and social media friends also. And many and most important thing is cyber crimes also more happen in due to only the mobile, due to only the social media. So this thing is most important, and it's a need of this era. And everyone should aware about the social media, because when you post your own photos, your some things which is only for you, when you upload that things on a social media, so many people can use that thing very badly, and they can take the money from you by means they do crime by your photos, by your other things also. So this thing is important, and you should remember that things always in your mind. So when you use that thing, so that time you firstly You think it is wrong or right for us and for our career also. So what is your opinion about it?
I'm totally appreciate with you that you told that we use many apps in our mobile, like Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Snapchat, many other apps. In this app, we upload our images, our posts on social media. It is bad for us because we share our own privacy with social media, and by the angle of me it is harmful to us because many people take the profit of it, many people use our images and blackmail us for money and many things. So this is occurs only due to only due to our mistake, because it had done by us, that we upload our images on social media, and due to that it occurs. Uh, so it is important that mobile is only for our uses, not for our entertainment, or not to fulfill our other needs. So we have to use it only for our use, if we have any difficulty in any chapter, if we have any difficulty in any chapter, that's time we can get a lecture from mobile, or any we can solve our difficulty from the mobile. So that's are the advantages and disadvantages of mobile. So lastly, we have to suggest you that you you only use mobile for your studies, or for only your goal, only for your goal or about your career, not for your entertainment, or not for playing games or others. So that is enough for us. Thank you.